great use for ChatGPT is to write articles and blogs. And I'm gonna just show you an example of how it can write entire articles and entire blogs, even about things that you don't know anything about. So let's dive right in. Here I'm in ChatGPT and let's ask it to write an article about the flight pattern of monarch butterflies. Incredible. You can see that ChatGPT wrote this entire article about the migration pattern of monarch butterflies. I know absolutely nothing about monarch butterflies, so I would never be able to write this without doing tons of research prior. So in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT can write this entire article. You can write an article about literally anything with ChatGPT. So this is just a specific example, but you will have your own use cases. Let's dive into another example real quick. Here I want ChatGPT to write a blog, and we're gonna make it short, fun, we're gonna make it for kids as our specific audience, we're gonna add some jokes and some humor. Let's see what it does. Amazing. Okay, let's check how it did. Hey there, young nature lovers. Did you know that monarch butterflies are one of the coolest creatures on our planet? Not only are they pretty to look at, but they also take part in a massive migration every year. Let's dive into the hilarious world of monarch butterfly migration patterns. Why is it hilarious? They talk about GPS. Let's read this one. Now let's talk about the distance monarch butterflies travel during their migration. It's so far that if they took a plane, they would have to get a passport. So you can see that ChatGPT really is making this short, fun, and for kids, and they're adding jokes, which is really incredible. So you can just see our specific examples for articles and blogs, but you can write a blog about anything in any tone for any audience. Same with articles. So this is just a use case to inspire all the amazing things that you can do with this tool.